Hi, I'm Aaron Dishman, sales manager down at Artesia Tate Branch Dodge, and I want to thank you for taking the time to look at this vehicle.
The 2018 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, fog lights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here at Tate Branch, we have a lifetime powertrain warranty, unlimited time, unlimited miles on all qualifying vehicles. 919 South 1st Street in Artesia. Come down and let us make you part of the Tate Branch family.